So let's talk about XRP. XRP is sitting right now at $2.3 right now, 2.30. And as you know, this is our favorite support area for XRP because once it stabilizes above 2.3, that means it is going to go towards 2.7. But before we get there, let's talk about the big news around XRP. XRP recently got, I think they're around $500 million on a valuation of $40 billion. Now this is a massive news because XRP is raising more funds, not that they need it because they are selling, I don't know if they have changed the numbers, but somewhere around 100 million tokens every month, and XRP on $2 on average to $3. I think that is a lot of money that is going to XRP, but still more funds are coming in. More money, more problems, or more money, more opportunities. Stuff like that is not that bad at all. So Ripple, they've secured 500 million on a valuation of 40 billion. And this funding was led by major traditional players, including Fortress. It's an investment group, Citadel Securities. They are famous pretty much, and some other institutional investors. And this is going to have an impact on XRP. Because at the end of the day, when we talk about XRP, it is a news coin. Generally, there is nothing fundamentally connected to XRP that leads to the overall price impact. XRP is not a BNB where you can directly connect the success of Binance or the level of transactions, the volume of the transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, or the overall ecosystem that contributes directly to it. XRP is generally running on the overall emotions, sentiments, and of course always the news around it. So considering that how it is a news coin, I think this is a really good news for XRP, that Ripple is securing such kind of massive amount of funding. $500 million is a lot. Hard cash is never a bad thing. So that's on the positive side. On the other side of the chart, it did go down to $2, but $2 is a psychological support area. It didn't bother going down to the 10th of October bottom, which was 1.2. This time it pretty much held on to $2 and then it bounced back up towards 2.3. Where are we headed from here? It's really easy. As long as it continues to hold the area of 2.3, which is, it stays above 2.3 for more than 2 days. Right now, the 2.3 is in action. So let's go back to the chart. Let's look at the chart. This is our first attempt towards 2.3. And we have closed one daily candle above 2.3. The second one is in action. So if we get a second candle above 2.3, this will dictate that we are going to fly up. And when we say flying up, the first area of target is going to be $2.7. Now 2.7, you have one bottom. If it goes back up, it will be a second bottom. You will have a double bottom structure. Now this is very bullish. It's big, it's bullish. This will easily send us towards the area of $3 without a problem at all. So we're basically talking about a 50% move from $2 all the way up to $3. Not a bad deal. Of course, if you are XRP lover, then of course you can continue to hold for the promised land of $10, $100, whatever have been promised to you. But from our perspective, we take the money that is in front of us instead of the promises of future. And I'll see you in the next video. That's pretty much it with XRP. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.